This video is about the free whiteboard animation software 2023, Mango Animate. Mango Animate is a free animation software program to create awesome animated videos to explain your ideas. The paid versions have many templates, animation effects, and flexible output options to help you create animated videos in minutes. On the main page, in the menu bar, you can see different options like Products, Templates, Explore, Pricing, Support, Download, Blog, etc. Further, you can see the Buy New and Download options here. You can open the templates in the upper left corner of the page. Different types of templates will appear. And if you click on Recent, there is nothing right now. Here you will see the different options in the menu bar, like a new project, import PowerPoint, and open projects. If you click on the new project, a full page with different options will appear as a new scene, followed by an online scene on the left side of the page. If you go forward, there is an option to add a blank scene and shapes like horizontal and vertical, then a search bar. When you go back, you will get different online scene options like dynamic, healthcare, holidays, modern nature, and others. Below the online scene, here is my scene option, which is empty now because I have not done anything here. Besides the new scene, here is an option to add background music. If you go down further, you will see the foreground and background options. If you go to the right side of the screen, there are different options like rotate, lock canvas, timer, and custom ratio. You can set the ratio of your choice. If you look further on the right side of the screen, you will see different images. You can choose any one of them and their position as well, like writing, walking, typing, two fingers, POC, etc., but I will choose like. You can drag and drop it anywhere you want and add text of your choice as well. You can also set the position of the text. If you want to add further roles, you can do it from here. Select its position by drag and drop where you want. As you know, you can add text, shapes, music, and more. That's it for now. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.